What is up, YouTube? It's your boy D46 coming today, another video, and thank you guys for tuning to another video. I truly appreciate it. And you guys, we are about to hop in the M4 right now and head to LA because we are picking up the new wheels for the G, and I'm super excited to go pick these up, man. I think they're gonna look super sick, and I think you guys are gonna like them. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna go get the M4 real quick and get some gas, and we will head to LA. Let's get it. All right, what is up, YouTube? So we are actually at the gas station right now. As you can tell, we are filling up. I need to get this car on the 85 ASAP. Anyways, I'm gonna fill up real quick because we are actually. Oh, thank you, I appreciate it. Man, oh yeah, I believe it out there for sure. Oh yeah, you have a good one. Thank you. But man, this is so annoying. Like the automatic unlock, whatever, with the key. It's so crazy. So I'm just gonna put this right here while I talk to you guys. But anyways, yeah, so we are actually on our way to go pick up the new Beadlocks for the IPL. I'm super excited, man, because as you guys know, bro, I've been looking for some because I'm tired of spinning on that car, and just having 700 torque and 700 horsepower it's just crazy, and I need a Beadlock. So we found a good pair. Hopefully everything works out, so we're actually heading out to LA to go pick them up. Hopefully everything is good to go, man, because I need that on the back. It's gonna look sick, and then I'm gonna be able to hook too, so I can't wait. We just got done filling up. I didn't really need that much, but cool. But yeah, man, I had to show you the M4 real quick. M4 looking good, bro. This color is just ridiculous, bro. Honestly, it just never gets old. Never gets old. So if these wheels actually need to run a spacer, I'm gonna get the spacers that come with the actual extended studs. That way it's still sturdy, it's still firm, and like we're good to go. We won't have any issues. I don't want to get if I have to run a spacer, I don't want to get the spacer that has the studs on the spacer itself. Like that one's kind of risky to me. That's why I'm like, But if I get the spacers, like a 15 mil spacer with the extended studs, that should be perfectly fine. I shouldn't have an issue. The only thing that's gonna suck is if I ever want to put back my Nismo wheels, I'm gonna have to use some different lug nuts. But I mean, that's a problem we'll figure out later on, honestly. Not too bad, but just race car stuff. It's better than spinning, you guys. I'm telling you, bro. Spinning in the G is honestly crazy. It's scary, you know, and I just want to be safe out here, you know, and I still want to look good. I want to gas some people. I want to be able to freaking hook that power. Like, imagine us finally hooking the full 700 torque. It's going to be so sick.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so we are actually pulling up. The guy actually came all the way from Fresno, but he was coming down to Universal Studios, so that's where we are at right now. Sick. Put a little bike, clean things. Sick. Bro, look at that RX-7 over there. It's just in the cut. That's how I be out here in Hollywood. Man. Everyone that's not from California, they swear everyone is from Hollywood or LA. Like, California's a big place, bro. There's so much out here besides just Hollywood and LA. All right, guys, you just pulled up. Check out the wheels. All right, guys, so here they are. Hopefully they fit. If not, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna start hooking now, man. All right, guys, got the wheels. Now it's time to, oh, look at that SV. What? I don't think it's an SV, but it's an Aventador. Dang, bro, stuff you be seeing when you come to LA, bro. Shit's so sick. Man, the shit you see in Cali, bro, crazy. But anyway, so we are on our way back to the house right now to test fit the wheels on the car. Hopefully everything fits the way it's supposed to. Fingers crossed, bro. So I will pick this up when we get back to the cribbo. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we are back at the crib. Got the wheels here. Sheesh. Bro, these things are so sick. Exactly what I wanted. But, bro, these are some chunky boys. I'm telling you. So, low-key, I don't think these tires are going to fit because these are 305 45 17. So, definitely going to have to play with the fitment with like a spacer. And then I'm going to have to get some other Mickeys. But I'm going to go ahead and mark it up and put it next to the G to see if we can even fit these back there. But, bruh, that on this looks so sick. Just a quick little mock-up. Oh my freaking gosh. Bruh. That is gonna look insane if we can get these to fit. Dang, bro, look at the girth. Look at my hand, bro. No more spinning. No more spinning, bro. Sheesh. Dang, can't wait. This is gonna look so sick. All right, guys, so we're about to test fit them onto the car. Pull the car out real quick, got my jack. When I take off the Nismos, I think we should be good, but honestly, I already know we're gonna have to use a spacer, so I'm already mentally prepared, but I am thinking about the height of the tire. I really wanna rock these because the more meat you have, pause, the more, you know, power you can deliver to the ground. So we'll see right now if we can fit it. All right, guys, moment of truth. We got the wheel off, and low key, we may be good. Like, just comparing it to this one, I mean, they're kind of similar, honestly. So we might be good with a 10 mil spacer. We'll see. So, so nerve wracking. I hope they fit. Let's figure it out. Let's see. Is it clear? No way. Bruh, no way. What? Bro, hold on. Bro, let's fucking go. Bro, they fit. They actually fit, you guys. I was so nervous about it. I didn't think they were gonna fit, but they actually fit. Let's freaking get it. And I probably could get like a small spacer, but honestly, I'm good. We have plenty of, not plenty of room, but it's not touching the strut. That's all I cared about. So, and it clears the caliper as well. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy, bro. Cause I was literally thinking about this whole time, like, bro, they're not gonna fit. I'm gonna have to do all this different stuff to make them fit. And they did. And they actually look so sick on the G. Look at it, you guys. Dang. Bro, we're gonna start hooking now. I can't wait to feel how much 730 torque actually feels like without spinning. And I don't have to do too much, man. All we really gotta do, I do still gotta get a spacer. I'm gonna get like a 5 mil spacer because it's gonna hit my caliper for sure. So if I get a 5 mil spacer, I think that would be perfect. And then also it's gonna sit a little bit more flush to the fender. So I probably still will get the extended lug nuts. I'm sorry, the extended studs to make sure we're good to go. But other than that, bro, everything looks freaking sick. Looks pretty good. So definitely need to get a small spacer just to poke it out just a tad bit, bro. And also if I get the spacer, I for sure won't be hitting the strut. It's not hitting the strut right now in the back. So pretty cool. So these specs, I know people are gonna ask, these are actually 50 offset. Okay, they're 17 by 10, 50 offset. So plus 50 offset. And then I think the backspace is plus 8. So cool. So if you guys are wondering if you can fit a weld on the back, like a 17 by 10 on a G37, you guys can. So you might need a spacer though, for sure, depending on what offset you guys get. But you guys, look how close it is to the caliper. I just checked it. It does not scrape it, but it is so close, bro. Let's see if you guys can see that. Here it is. Oh. Yeah, definitely need a small 5 mil. Just a 5 mil spacer is gonna be perfect. That's just too close to my comfort. All right, guys, so it's about like 4 days later and my package finally came. I got it down there. So we are heading to the dealership right now to put the new spacers on the car with the extended lugs and get the new wheels on there, man. So, sheesh. Can't wait to see how it looks, bro. It's gonna look so sick. We are finally gonna be able to freaking hook. Dope. All right, guys, so we just got to my dealership and we are gonna go ahead and install the welds. Super excited to do it. Before we gotta install the spacers. That's what we were waiting on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it, remove the wheel, remove the OEM studs, and then replace it with the extended studs, and we'll put everything on. So see the difference? Much longer. All right, guys, so just real quick, I wanna go ahead and say this. So I got all the OEM studs out and I'm putting in the extended studs in. And for my life of me, I just could not find a spot to put the studs in. And I was literally about to remove the whole wheel bearing to get this in. And I basically watched the video, and the only way you can really get the extended studs in is through this cavity right here. So you basically, so I'll try to do it. I'll show you guys. Like that. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but that's the best way to do it. I was trying over here and I just could not figure it out. So that's how you got to do it. So hopefully that helps. Sheesh. bruh. Oh, that looks so fire, bro. Fits perfect. It's like right at the fender too. So, all right, I can't wait. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side on right now, and then we're gonna drop it and see how it looks. And let's go get some test hits, bro. So excited. And then real quick, this is a 15 mil spacer. We've got plenty of room now. Not even coming close to this in the back now too. So nice. And just so you guys could see, we have plenty of clearance with the 15 mil spacer. Perfect, man. So we aren't even close to the strut. So we are good to go. Definitely gonna get new tires probably soon, but for right now, we should be able to hook. Shit! Bruh, that 15 mil was perfect, bruh. Oh my goodness, yeah, we for sure gonna be able to still squat. It's like the perfect fitment, bruh. Check it out from the front. Bruh. Looks crazy now. Oh my, bruh, what? Yeah, I'm never gonna put the Nismo back on, bro. That looks so fire, bro. Bro, the G looks insane now. That 15 mil spacer was perfect. And bro, the Beadlock basically just looks so insane. I love these welds, bro. I'm so happy I got the Beadlocks, bro, because this shit is so clean, bro. Look at it. Sheesh. Oh my gosh, bro. So let's go get some test hits real quick, warm the tires up, and let's try from a 60 and see if we hook. So I'm praying, fingers crossed we hook, because that's the whole reason why I got these. But bruh, looks crazy, bruh. Woo-wee. So clean. All right, guys, so we're gonna do some test hits and check it out and see if it freaking hooks. Oh, let's see, bro. Let's see. Go! Yes, bro! We finally hooked it a little bit. Oh my, and this is with the tires cold, bro. Let's go! Oh, I'm so happy right now, bro. So now that was like a little 40 hit with a little bit of brake boost into third, but every time I hit third, I always spin. All right, let's do like a 60 roll now in third gear to see if we are good. But bro, so far, so good, bro. Let's get it. Bro, I am so happy right now, bro. It's hooking so much better. Like I'm able to really stay in the power. I don't have to really get off the throttle as much as before. So I'm so happy, man. Mickey is doing exactly what it was supposed to do. Woo, I'm happy, bro. Oh, I can't complain. Cannot complain now. I'm gonna do one more test hit just to make sure we're good in 60. But so far, everything feels good, man. Way better. Guys, I want to give you a quick little hit on the freeway, bro. We are finally hooking. We do a little quick pull for you guys.
A few moments later.
Whoa, guys. My freaking turbo just blew up. I'm pretty certain it's my turbo, bro. I'm not getting any boost right now, bro. I did a pull and like we basically were hooking so good that I don't know what happened after, and it just, I heard like a little big pop noise and I'm not hitting boost no more. We're NA right now. Let me chill out, bro, because I don't want to do anything stupid. Oh my goodness, bro. The turbo blew up, bro. I'm so pissed. Yep. Turbo somewhere in there, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm so mad. We were finally hooking too. It felt so good to finally be in boost and going straight without spinning. And I blew the turbo up, bro. So now I gotta get the turbo rebuilt. That's not too bad of a job, but it just sucks, man. At least I can show you guys how the car looks in the lighting. It looks so sick, bro. We were finally hooking. And then something else happens, bro. Oh my goodness. It looks so sick though, bro. Looks so clean. Love how it, and I'm not rubbing at all. Everything's working perfectly fine. I don't have no ABS lights or nothing like that. Oh man, build a race car, man. It's tough. Definitely tough. But we'll get the turbo rebuilt, and then we for sure will catch a run with some of the homies soon. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.